Of course, I'm starting off all my clients' hair services by prepping their hair with hair therapy. The first oil that you see me using is my Silk Repair Growth Serum. The next product is my Radiance Glossing Laminate. Both of these products are great heat protectants, and they also serve to hydrate the hair before I go into any protective style. For this next step, you have a couple of different options. You could either braid your client down or slick them down. I chose to braid my client. Next, you want to grab yourself some Robert's Diamond Bond. It's going to be that protective barrier between your hair and the glue. Make sure you completely saturate all the areas with this Robert's Diamond Bond where you intend to put the tracks. You'll need to let this dry for about 20 minutes before moving on to the next step. I'm actually really happy to see these quick weaves making a comeback. It really is a great alternative for people who don't want to sit for a sew-in, or let's say that the sew-in or the braids, it's too much tension for your hair. This is a really great option. Takedown is actually really easy. You simply just need to wash your hair and it'll come right up. This next step, I'm going to go ahead and apply my HD 2x6 lace closure. Traditionally, you would use a black cap or a dark cap underneath the quick weave, but because I knew I was doing a lace closure, I just went ahead and did this one. This service really shouldn't take you more than 90 minutes to 2 hours to completely do. Now that I've glued her closure on, I'm going to go ahead and secure it by sewing it around the cap. For the first track that I lay, I really like to take it all the way around the head. After firmly pressing, go ahead and put a little heat to it. You can also use your favorite holding spray to assist you throughout. It'll give you a little extra security. I'm taking a break from laying her tracks and going ahead and melting her lace a little bit more by using my Melt Lace Spray and also a little bit of my foam wrap that actually has a little tint in it to blend in with her skin a little bit more before applying my Melt Me Lace Band. So we ended up using 3 bundles for this install. You'll see that when I got towards the top, I ended up running out of hair, so I ended up having to take a track from the bottom and just close her in. These 2x6 closures are a really good option for people who just don't want the leave out, but also don't want a large amount of lace. As you know, it can be a lot of maintenance. So even though this would have been a beautiful bust down, she decided that she wanted to do a fringe, which I was all the way there for. It's completely in for the fall. So during her consultation, we pretty much talked about whether she wanted like a choppy, strong Chinese bang or like a wispy fringe bang. And thankfully, we were kind of on the same page with that. She really did want the wispy look. So I always take my time when it comes to the bangs. Like, even if my client tells me where they want them, I generally cut them a little bit longer and proceed to style it and let them see it, because it's one thing about it, you cannot put that hair back. So please take your time on this step. I am so happy that the girls are getting into the layers. I cannot tell you, I have been waiting on this my whole life. I know y'all hate to see y'all bundles get cut up, but some people will bring in pictures of inspo of girls with like super volumized curls and bouncy and beautiful. You need layers for that. Now that I've got her completely layered up, I'm going to go through with my Radiance Glossing Laminate and spray her as I curl. And so in order to get these big, bouncy, beautiful curls, I'll do 1 curl over, 1 curl under, and just keep doing that. And this really creates this bedhead, beautiful curl look. And for the type of barrel that I'm using, I actually got these off Amazon for literally like $25. I know the girls are using the T3, but I really, really like these. This is measuring at about 1.75. This is really my favorite part, where the client gets to see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Oh my God, it looks so good. This is literally my favorite part, where my client gets to see her hair. All your hard work pays off. She looks bomb. We going outside. I mean, just look at her hair popping, skin popping, everything is popping. Y'all let me know if y'all have any questions in the comments about how to install these 2x6 quick weaves. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.